Hey guys, welcome to the channel again. Thank you for watching and waiting for us for the second or our new video, which is showing you the car. The reason we haven't posted any is because in our last video when we went to the beach, our car broke down, so we haven't really traveled or do any adventure outside because we didn't have a way to get around. So anyway, so we decided to get a new car, and we just want to show you the 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander. It's a new way or a new body that Mitsubishi has on this car. So we want to show you all around, and then we're gonna go inside, and then probably we're gonna show you a test drive to see how. Actually, my wife hasn't driven the car, so maybe she can drive it this time. So let's go and show you the car. See, so the new thing about these cars is comes with a 20 inches wheel, really big tires, make it look really nice. And also the body of this car is very wide, you know. Not really sure how, like 74 inches I believe across. These are not really the exhaust, it's just one under. It's just to make it look like it, but it's actually not. It's not a dual exhaust. Just want to show you around here so you can have an idea how this new car looks like. My understanding is that Mitsubishi didn't make any 2021 car. It went up to 2022. So it looks pretty good, you know. The body is really white, which is make it look very nice, sporty. So now let's go inside the car. So when we enter the cabin inside, you can see this 9 inches screen, which has a remote control as well. And then look at the screen over here, kind of cool. All the graphics. So what I like about this is the 9 inches screen, and also it has the power charge of phone, so you really don't need a cable to connect it to a USB, which has one USB type C and then a regular USB, and so you don't need any cable. Those are like extra, but the main thing is it has a charger for a phone over here, which let me show you. You just place the phone over here, and then it will start charging. See right there, it shows the light is on. It means it is charging. And so it has a Bluetooth. If you have a Apple phone, it just automatically detected and you can set it up. Also it works with the Android. I haven't really tested with the Android, but with the phone it works really well. You can play any music at all. The videos, of course it doesn't show the videos on the screen, but it's just the sound. And also you can set up your phone to make calls, you know, and stuff like that, like any other new car with that kind of technology. We haven't really removed all the stickers yet because it's brand new. So this one also, look at this, the seats are synthetic leather, at least for this type of model, which is SE Outlander SE. So it's synthetic leather, which it's not bad at all, you know. The steering wheel has a real leather. And then the gear, of course, you know, it's just to park you use press park, you know, and then reverse and then drive. The parking is all electronic, so you just push down to release and then up to put and park. And let's go to the back of the car. The back of the car, you know, it's for mainly it's 5 people really. It has a third row seat, but I don't think any adult will fit in there, so we can try that. Synthetic leather, but it's really spacious. See, let me show you what I mean. See the legs, very long. It's more than an airplane seat. You can stretch really well, so it's really nice, really spacious over here. And if you're sitting in the back, this is my first time that I sit in the back, so just for you guys to show you. See, as you can see, the seats are very narrow. I don't think any adult can fit in there. This cannot be like a third row seat. I don't know who can fit in there. So inside, see how really close, and then if you pull the chair back, I mean, how are you gonna drive? For example, if you drive more than 2 hours like this. See my knees, I cannot stretch at all, so it's not very comfortable at all. And the person in front, you see how it's really close to the chair. No one can sit in there. So basically, the third row seat doesn't really work for an adult at all. So my opinion on this is, nope, this does not work. This doesn't work for us, doesn't work for anybody. But if you lay down the seat, of course you can put a lot of stuff there. All our gear, backpack, luggages can fit really well. And in here, the space is better. So you can be, an adult can be really comfortable over here. So feel really comfortable sitting down. I can stretch. See? Anyways. And you can see how it looks from here. All the technology. Has heater seat as well. Both of the front are heater seat. Touch screen, 9 inches. And I mean, it's just beautiful. I really like this car. Really love the car. It has a lot of stuff that we haven't really see how it looks from here. The luggage compartment. I mean, the chairs, they hide really well. Just pull and then they go inside like that. So now you have a lot of space for your luggage, or if you're gonna go grocery, or our gear when we go out, you know, to our new adventure for our weekly video. It's just very nice, and a lot of space inside. Also, it has some USB, the same thing, USB type C and regular USB. So overall, I really love this car, and we are both of us, so what a beauty. Alright, corazon, let's go for a test drive. So my wife hasn't driven this car yet, so she's gonna drive for the first time. So she's gonna give us a ride all the way down over here. Ready, corazón? Okay, let's go. Let's go and let's do a test with her driving. All right, corazón. Yes. Let's do a test drive. First of all, let's put our seatbelt. That is very important.
Okay, let me adjust my seat.
Yeah, adjust your seat. So all you have to do is just press down,
okay,
to release the brake, and then just press the button on the side and then move back like that. So now it's in drive, so we can start driving forward. Just careful.
I cannot see that.
It's fine over here.
Am I too close to the steering wheel?
Well, how you feel comfortable. So the noise inside when we drive on the highway and the freeway, it's not really horrible. You know, you can still hear the trucks, the tire. Go straight. Yeah, we're gonna go just here on the park by the river. So I mean, the noise is free. It's not bad, you know. It's not very silent either, you know. It's just you can hear the other person talking when we're driving on the highway. And if you're like a tall person, you know, of course you can see the whole hood over there. What I like about this car is it has a wide body that makes it look better looking car. Also, of course, the technology that has now, the 9 inches. Before on the older Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, I had to connect the cable, connect to my phone to charge or to play music, or you know. So this makes it so easy, you know, to connect my iPhone and play the music, and watching, you know, like listening to videos on YouTube, and charge my phone as well. You know, I can just put my phone down over here, charge it, and listening to music. I don't need any cable. How you feeling, corazón?
Pretty good so far. Just going 30
Feel comfortable?
miles.
Don't go over 30 miles, corazón. See, on the back it looks very nice, very spacious. A lot of space. I think it's about 184 or 74 inches long, the whole dimensions of the car, which is pretty long. I think it's longer than the Nissan Rogue that we were looking at to get, but that didn't really look nice.
Sorry.
Go slow, corazón, don't break it. We just got it. Anyways, the Nissan and Mitsubishi, I think, I mean, they do have the same engine, which is a 4-cylinder engine, so it's very small. Gas consumption, we took it to Seattle. I think it's pretty much, I mean, it's not bad, you know. It's 4-cylinder, so I think one half tank can take you back and forth, so it's not horrible on gas. Look at that beautiful river over there. I like to come to this park, which you can drive along the river and go pick some blackberries over there. It's a lot of them.
Yes, and they're very sweet.
And they're very sweet. Yeah, they're very yummy.
Do you want me to park here?
Yeah, you can just park somewhere over here, and then we can go back. Go slowly, cause.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's go back. Put a reverse. Press forward until you see that.
Okay, got it.
And then it shows you the camera over here. You can tell. Pretty cool. Let's go.
taking a test, driving test.
Yeah, I feel like I'm teaching you.
I'm sorry. Should we feel?
Look at the beautiful river. Look at those mountains. Winter time, everything is white. Overall, how do you feel about this car, Corazon?
I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At first, we thought that we want. Well, I wanted to get the FJ Cruiser from Toyota, which is, you know, they stopped producing those cars in 2014. But you know, some of them they have a lot of miles already, and if they don't, they are very expensive, like over $40,000 from 2014. You know, so I really love those cars, like all-wheel drive. You know, it's off-road. But this one, I really love this car too. We'll see how long it lasts. I mean, we don't change car that often.
Yeah, exactly.
So we're just gonna have to we're gonna try to keep it
as long as we can.
As long as we can, so we don't have to keep, you know, buying cars all the time. As long as you take care of the car, it will last, you know. So really quiet, huh?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Yeah, like I said, when we went to the beach, on our way back, going to the mountains, you know, on the highway, it was kind of scary because what happened if the car completely stopped working right there on the mountain? You know, like it's gonna be hard to get back home. We had to call our family. I don't think Uber or Lyft can go over there. Anyways, we made it home safely. We stopped on the way a couple times, I believe, because the overheated transmission. But we got home, so we didn't have a car for a while, so that's why we couldn't really make any video. We didn't go out at all. So now that we got this car, we're gonna start going somewhere and make more videos for you guys, and hopefully you guys can keep watching the videos, enjoy them, so you can see how it looks over here in this area. We have so many beautiful places that we can visit. We haven't explored so many places, so we're gonna try to go and bring you with us, you know, in our videos, so you can keep watching our videos. So that's it, guys. I think we can say goodbye and show you the car all around, our new ride to go in adventures all over. We plan to go to the beach again, a different part of the beach. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at that.
Before you say goodbye, you can take a look at the beautiful scenery.
Yeah, beautiful scenery. I think there is the army is right there somewhere over there. They have like a base. You can pass this truck or something. Go over there. Look at that, it's a dam. There's a lot of salmon over here. But in the US, you have to have a permit to fish. That's another topic. So everything here, you cannot just go and fish. You know, you can get in trouble with the law. Anyways, enjoy the view. And after enjoying the view, enjoy this view. So thank you guys. Hopefully we see you in the next video on our next adventure. And thanks again. Goodbye.